Hello everyone, this is Justin Greer with Greer Racing Parts and Fuel. A&A Manufacturing has sent me these aluminum reducer spacers. They're perfect for keeping your heims from getting in a bind. They reduce down from 5/8 heims to a 1/2 inch bolt, as you see. They come in different lengths. They come in 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch. This is 3/4. These are perfect for your tubular lower control arms that like UMP style, outlaw style modifieds have to use. Great for that application. If you're like me, when I had our modified, we would lose these when you go to change them from IMCA style lowers to the stock style lowers to the tubular, and you would lose these. And these, you have to have these for those lowers to work on your frame on your Chevelle stub. These are wonderful. The 1/2 inch is $273 a pair, and the prices go up from there for the 3/4 and the 1 inch and so forth. You can check them out at A&A Manufacturing or also here at Greer Racing Parts and Fuel. Thanks guys for watching. We truly appreciate y'all.